Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum boys. This is your teacher Farouk Server and this is the class of Winter Task Geo. Okay boys, as we have give you the lectures regarding your SST homework of Winter Task and map homework of Winter Task. So this is the lecture of your Geo homework of Winter Task. So boys, one thing I have to instruct you before starting my questions, and that thing is you will have to write the SST question inside your SST copy, and you will have to paste the map inside the SST copy, but you will not write the geo questions. You will not write these questions in your copy boys. You will answer these questions on these pages, on this page, and then you will have to fold this page and you will have to paste it in your copy. Understand boys? I am repeating my line again for your convenience, and that is you will complete your SST work in your SST Winter Task work in your SST copy in written form. You will complete your map work of Winter Task in your copy in written form, and you will paste this work. You will not write this work in your SST copy boys. You will answer the question right at here in the page, then you will fold up the page and you will paste the page inside your copy at that corner which corner has been specified for Winter Task homework. So before starting my lecture, I would like to give one more instructions, and that is you will write your name boy. You will write your name, your father name and your section. You can see, as you can see, blocks have been made inside this page, and first of all you will have to write down your name, your father name and your class section. After then you will have to answer the question, and one more thing I have to add regarding these questions, and that is, as you can see, this is written at here: Australia, New Zealand, North America and USA. It means to say that boys, you can find out the answer of this question in these 4 topics. Boys, which 10 questions have been given to you for your Winter Task homework, you will have to search out not in the whole book. You will just search them out in these four lessons: Australia, New Zealand, North America and USA. For that sake, I am showing to you that how you will search out the answers and how you will prepare your questions like from the book. Question number 1 says that dash is the 6th largest country of the world. I will show you each and everything regarding the book boys, so you can easily understand the work. इसमें बोला गया है boys, dash is the 6th largest country of the world. For this answer, I can show you on page number 26. On the page number 26 in book, you can see Australia is the 6th largest country in the world. So we have find out the answer, and the answer is Australia. So we will write the answer like that boys. You can see I am doing this in front of you, so you can easily do your answers like that. As you can see, I have wrote the answer and I have also done the tick on the right answer. So let's go to the question number 2, and question number 2 says dash is the very popular sports of Australia. Dash is the very popular game of Australia, and options are hockey, cricket, chess and football. So we can we do have the answer of this question on same page, which page I told you regarding question number 1. As you can see, same topic is here in front of you, and that is Australia, and you can see at here it is written that cricket is the popular sport of Australia. Okay boys, as you can see that it is written at here that cricket is the popular sports of Australia. Okay boys, so we got the answer of question number 2, and that is cricket is the popular sports of Australia, and so we will have to write the answer like that in the page, and then we will have to paste the page inside our copy in that corner, which corner has been specified for the Winter Task homework of SST. So let's go to the question number 3, and question number 3 says the capital of New Zealand is dash: Canberra, Wellington, Sydney, Auckland. So answer of this question is available on page number 29. I will show you like that. You can see New Zealand topic. Capital of New Zealand is Wellington. So we find out the answer. So we will answer it in the page like that and like that, boys. You'll have to follow my instructions and you will have to paste this page in your SST copy. Okay, boys. Now let's go to the question number 4. And question number 4 says Greenland became the Danish colony in dash. Greenland became a Danish colony in dash. So answer of this question, we can find out answer of this question as we have instructed in this homework that North America and USA and New Zealand and Australia. So we will find out the answer of this question in this topic in North America. Okay, boys. So I will show you this thing how we will manage it. We will go to page number 32. On 32 we do have the answer of this question. You can see 1721. Became Danish colony in 1721. You can see on page 32. So we got the answer and the answer is 1721. So we will write it like that and like that, boys. Now come with me on question number 5. The largest country of the North America is dash. Options are USA, Canada, Mexico and Brazil. So right answer, I know the right answer, but I will guide you that how you will find out your answers by yourself from the book. So let me show you how. So we will go to the page number 34, on which page we do have the page number 32, on which page we do have the detail regarding the North America. As you can see, it is written at here, largest country of North America is Canada. So we got the answer. So we will write it like that. Okay, boys, I'm showing you each and everything so it will be easy for you to complete your work in your copy. But I want your work in your best presentation, boys. Okay, let's come to question number 6. And question number 6 says USA has dash states. Options are 50, 51, 52, 53. So for the answer of this question, we will go to page number 34 and we can find out the answer of this question on page number 34 easily. As you can see, we do have United States of America and it is written at here. It is the third largest country of the world and it has 50 states. As you can see, boys, I am pointing out the answer from the book for your convenience and then I am answering the questions in the sheet. So you can easily take the guidance and you can easily complete your work. Okay, question number 7. Statue of Liberty was gift to USA by government of dash. Statue of Liberty was a gift to USA for the government of dash and options are UK, France, Spain and Italy. So for that sake we will go to the same page and page is page number is 34 and you can see at here it was a gift to USA by the government of France. So we got the answer from the book. So answer is France. Okay, boys, we will tick the answer and we will also write the answer at here. Okay, come to question number 8 and question number 8 says the Golden Gate Bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge is in dash. In which city? Toronto, San Francisco, Chicago, New York. So the right answer is, as you can see, I am telling you each and everything from the pages. So the Golden Gate Bridge is in San Francisco. As you can see the answer. So we got the answer. We will have to tick the answer on the page and you will have to write the answer like that, boys. Okay, boys. So come to the question number 9. The headquarters of United Nations is located in New York, Washington, Chicago, Los Angeles. So we do have the answer on page number 35 and the answer is, as you can see, United Nations is located in New York. You can see, boys. So the right answer is New York. You will take it like that and you will write it like that, boys. Okay, boys. Now come to the last question. And now last question says, dash is the currency of Greenland. We do have options: US dollar, euro, pound, and Danish krone. So we will find out the answer. Like, we do have the answer of this question on page number 32. You can see at here. Greenlandic and nude, the Danish krone is the currency of major. Okay, boys, have you seen the word Danish krone? So the right answer is Danish krone. Okay, boys, you will have to complete all of these questions in your page like that, and after that you will have to fold this page and paste this page inside your SST winter task corner. So that was the all things I have to share with you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.